Good day, sir. Today I will be discussing a program that I made for as a solution to the problem given here that states write a Python program that let the user input his or her name and daily allowance in pesos and print out the total allowance for a month. Assume there are 5 school days in a week. So here in Python, PyCharm, uh, the first line will print a title for the calculator. So I named the calculator monthly allowance calculator. Next, the next line would enable the user to input his or her name, and this is represented by the variable name equals input and the text that would ask the user for his or her name. The next line would be the variable a1. So this would enable the user to input his or her daily allowance, and this is represented by a1 equals integer and the input enter your daily allowance, wherein this will prompt the user to enter his or her daily allowance. So the next line would be monthly allowance equals a1 times 23. So this would be the formula for the program to be able to calculate the user's daily allowance, wherein it will multiply the daily allowance of the user which he input or she input, and it will be multiplied by 23, considering that for the month of August there are 23 school days, neglecting the weekends. So here, for example, we have 5 days, assuming there are 5 days in a week, uh 5 school days. So 5, 10, 15, 20, and 23. So in the month of August, there are 23 school days. So this may also vary depending on what month it is, or how many number of school days in a month there is, depending on a specific month. So the next line would print the name of the output name of the user and his or her daily allowance. So it will be represented by print name, comma. Your monthly allowance is Philippine peso, and this is the text that will be shown after the user inputs his or her daily allowance. And here, after text, this will be the output for this formula here. So the program would not close automatically because here in the last line we still have a input. So for the user to be able to exit the program, he or she needs to enter a random key so that the program would exit, not automatically but by the user. So if we run the file here, so this is the first thing you would see, the title. So let's enter our name. And assuming my daily allowance for every day is 100, so the output would be my name and my daily allowance, which is 2,300 per month. So as you can see, the program did not close automatically because we still have to input a key. So after we viewed our daily allowance, then we can enter a key, so the program would close. Because if we don't have this input here on the last line, so if we don't have that input, the program would close automatically. For like this, for example, if I enter my name here and my daily allowance, I would not be able to view my daily allowance because the program would close automatically, because there are no more codes or lines that are needed to be run or to be input. So that is all. My learning experience for this specific activity is that I learned how to make a program or a calculator using the basic functions of Python or programming. Uh, and I knew that the program would run until the last line, and When there's no more lines to be input, then the program will close automatically. So that is all for what I've learned on this activity. Thank you, and thanks for watching.